Hello everyone, today we are going to make a bracelet. In the last episode, I showed you how to make a 4-leaf clover. Today, I will show you how to make a bracelet. The pearls are 6mm in diameter, and the beads are 12mm in diameter. I will show you how to make the 4-leaf clover on the main page. First, let's see how to connect the beads. Take a few beads and tie them together. Pass the needle through the middle of the double-stranded beads and pass the needle through the pearl hole. Add 3 pearls. Add a bead in the middle of each pearl. Add 6 beads and close the loop. Go around one more time to make it more solid. Go to the opposite position and connect another 4-leaf clover. Add a bead. Add 3 pearls. Add a bead here. Pass the needle through the previous bead. Go to the opposite position and continue to connect the remaining 4-leaf clover. Let's see how to tie the short strands. Finally, connect the tail button and it's done. I hope you liked the video. Have a good day. Bye.